We need to clean the lens. Look at that. Hello to everyone out there. It has been one of those weeks, seriously one of those weeks. This video was supposed to go out on Monday. I've ended up having to record a new intro because the intro that I recorded on Saturday, Sunday, whenever it was a bit pants. So I've recorded a new one. It turns out that the steering stem and the yoke and triple tray and everything like that I've got for the Suzuki GS550 is not actually for the Suzuki. It's for something completely different. No idea where that's come from, but this was my late evening ramblings. Right, so this GS550 is an absolute rabbit hole. Years ago, going back years ago, I had to modify that steering stem yoke to actually fit the frame. And I thought to myself at that time, why am I having to cut these locks? So basically there were two little stop ends really, or to stop your steering from hitting the tank, but they were in the wrong place, so I couldn't really turn the steering. I had to grind those down. I did think to myself then, why is this happening? Is it something I'm doing? So that's always been bugging me in the back of my mind. It's always bugged me. You know, didn't think anything more of it until now. I've got these bearings through, got these two little bearings. Perfect, brilliant. Top one fits, the bottom one doesn't. Which one's the bottom one? 27, this is the bottom one. I'm sure you can actually see somewhere in there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Anyway, on the, but you can see, where are we now? 27, 48, 14. The lower part of my steering stem is 30mm, so this is 3mm too narrow, and I only just realised that when I went to put it on, just to try it. I was really tight and thought, hang on, there's no way this is going to fit. It made me look around, and anyway, I can't get any answers, but what I can find is a replacement. And we figured out that, yeah, although it's not the right thing, it works. I've got it to work now. We've got new bearings, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be putting new bearings on the Suzuki. It looks so sad down there. It looks really sad. And another thing to throw a literal spanner in the works was I came into the workshop one evening to find that the stand that I'd propped up the Suzuki had collapsed underneath it. So I found the poor bike leaning on its side. I don't know how much damage is there. Oh, there's a little bit of damage to the cover on the side, but nothing too bad. But anyway, it'd be nice to get this bike on its two wheels again. Let's do that. We've got new bearings. I need to get them from the freezer. Quick. Unorthodox. You've never seen me with this setting before. I'm actually in my kitchen. Freezer's right here now, ready to get the stem out. I've got these, which are the new diameter. Oh, these are 30mm, 30 by 48 by 15s. Let's get this out now. Needs to do it quick. I've got my little hammer and tools. See if it fits. I hope it'll fit. at that there, look at that bearing. Have you ever seen a more beautiful bearing in your life? It goes round and round and round. Ah, I've forgotten the grease. I knew there was something. Grease. Ah, damn. Right, okay. Take 2 with the grease. Oh, this week's not going good. Where did I put the grease? I had it the other day there. Ah! Grease! And there it is, the steering is all back. I've left the headlight down at the minute, just because I want to go into the back of it, just to fiddle around with some wires. That is it, the steering is now perfect, no wobbles. In fact, I'll try it out this weekend, make sure there's no wobbles, and apart from that, bike seems safe. So now we've got the GS550 safe, rideable. I'm going to be happy braking with that. When you were braking before, the whole front end just wobbled and moved, and honestly it did not feel safe. Definitely not safe enough to take out the road. Flippin' heck. That would not have ended nice. So there we have it, that is in a better condition now. I've been a bit lax with the videos this week, only because time has escaped me, but next week I'll be back on it as well. The CX500 will be on your screens. I've changed the fuel petcock and that, and we will be starting in synchronising the carbs. Same with the GS550, that will be test ridden up and down, probably with the CX500 actually. We've got more Ducati Monster vlogging videos coming up with that, they are fun. CB750 will be on your screens the week after. I think there'll be enough to handle next week with 3 bikes, but that is coming along nicely as well. So if you want to stay up to date with this channel, subscribe, hit that bell icon, follow me on Instagram, and if you want to show your support, first of all for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, I will be riding in that in Manchester. Please show your support, there'll be a link below. Please give me a donation for that, it's all for charity, it's for a good cause. Secondly, if you want to support this channel, then head to fullyboldindustries.com and see if there's a t-shirt or a sweater or anything that you like there, and you can show your support and love through that. Until next week, ride safe, have a good weekend, I'll see you next week.